This 5-minute solution will show you how to convert your Facebook profile into a page. So I will show you the new method to convert your Facebook profile to Facebook page. Open your Facebook app and log into your account. Now open your Facebook profile. Once you are in your profile page, tap on this three dot, and now you have to turn on professional mode. So tap on turn on professional mode, tap on turn on, and here we can see in professional mode, here you will get these features. You will get paid for your content, you'll be able to see your content insights, and tap on turn on. Tap on continue, and that's it. Now all of your Facebook profile friends will be converted your Facebook follower. So this is the new method and only one method to convert your Facebook profile to a page. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.